How to add a new service in Saan Provider app. After signing into the Provider app, go to Profile tab. In the Profile section, we can add the profile picture, or simply take one using the camera. And to add a new service, click on Services. Then, click on the plus sign. After that, add an image that represents your work for the service you are adding. Select the main service type. Then select the subcategory. Open the service addresses you can provide your service in, or add a new service address, and select from the list. Type the cost of the service and the discount if any. Add the service description. And then save it. You can modify or delete the services anytime you want. Saan app, maintenance and more.